Subscribe to Bootstrap Station if you haven't, and today we are going to download files and folders from FTP to the Google Drive, Share Drive, OneDrive, Mega and other cloud drives via Google Colab. So you will be downloading a complete FTP tree with the resume support, and there is no limits on the recursion depth and no size limit, and you can download to any location on the cloud drives, okay? And you can also download the files and folders with non-English characters by keeping the original names. So just open up the Google Colab using this link and mount the cloud drives where you want to download the file from FTP. Okay. So here's the Google Colab, and I have already mounted these drives here. You can mount others also. The link for mounting them will be provided in the description. So let's begin up. You need to make sure these two things. For the public FTP, the username is anonymous and the password is none. Okay, and we are going to use this public location FTP, and for the private FTPs, the username you know and the password also you know. These must be put in the double quotes, and this is the location. Okay, so let's open up. Here's the private FTP and this is the public FTP. Okay, so I'm just going to go into the directory which I want to download in the private FTP. I'll just be browsing here. Now inside this folder, now I have already created a folder named non-English characters, which contains both English plus non-English characters and files and folders. Let me just open up this folder here. So this is the location of the folder I'm just going to download. Okay, and here you can see this is not showing the correct file name, but if we go to the file manager of this FTP service provider, you can see that it is in Japanese. Okay, so the correct name will be saved, don't worry about it. Okay, and here is the location. So first of all, go to the Google Colab and copy these links from here. Okay, if you're using the private FTP, these commands, and if you're using the public FTP, you have to go with these commands. So let's go for the private FTP, copy it up and paste in the Google Colab. And as usual, in the username you have to type this, and in the FTP password you have to type here inside the double quotes. Now in the location, you just have to copy the location from here, right here, right click, copy it up and paste the location here. Okay, and you need to make sure that you place a star and a forward slash after this, the end of the folder name. Okay, so that it will download the files and folder inside this folder. And inside here you just have to place the location where you want to save the files. Like I want to go in the Google Drive that I have just mounted here, and I want to save in the My Drive. You can also save in the Share Drive also, and I want to go in the subscribe folder. So I'll just click on these three dots, click on copy path and paste the path here. Okay, and place a forward slash after this. So this is the location where I am going to save the files and folders downloaded from this location. Right? So let us execute this shell now. And you can see that the files are being downloaded with the great speed, 11 MB per second. Awesome. So let's see whether they are downloaded or not. In the subscribe folder, you can see the FTP site here. And inside this, if we go to the torrents folder, the folder in which we have these files and folders, this in non-English character folder, and you can see that it is downloading with the correct name in the Japanese, right? Perfect. Here it is. So let us just pause it up. It is 28%. Stop it. Okay, so you can see that it has downloaded 30%, and if we start it again, it will resume from 30% itself rather than downloading from the beginning. And you can see it is starting from the 30% itself, right? So we have both resume support and high speed with the recursion. Okay, so it will be downloading all of these. Let me just stop it here and let me quickly show you how to go with the public FTP folders. Okay, so here's the public FTP drive. Let's browse in here. So here we have a lot of files and folders. We are just going to download the movies folder. So this is the location. And as usual for the public FTP, you go with these three codes. Right click, copy, paste them in the Google Colab. And here you have to just paste the location, the subscribe folder, copy path, paste it, and this /. Now copy the location from here, the public FTP, and paste it right here. And make sure you put a / and the star. And let's start it up. Now it's downloading it. And you can see that the folder has been created, right? This is the folder and we are just downloading the movies folder. You can see, okay? The same goes, you have resume support also, okay? Let's stop it up. And now let me quickly show you that the files and folders are there in our Google Drive also, okay? This is the Google Drive. In the subscribe folder, you can see that we have these two folders we have just downloaded. Torrents, and inside FTP copy this non-English characters, and inside this you can see the original file name in the Japanese. And you have to follow the same process for other drives like share drive, Mega, OneDrive. Just replace the location here. Just click on these three dots after going inside the folders. Alright, copy the location and paste it right here. So please subscribe to Bootstrap Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.